guys, good morning, welcome to my channel. For today's video, ipakita ko sa inyo yung videoan ako ni Rose na magbasa sa simbahan. Dati dream ko magbasa, pero lagi na ako nagbabasa. Kanina, hindi pa ako nakaupo, gi-request na ako na magbasa. So, noorin niyo, maiksi lang. Thank you, see you later.
A reading from Prophet Malachi. Thus says the Lord, Lo, I am sending my messenger to prepare the way before me. And suddenly there will come to the temple the Lord whom you seek, and the messenger of the covenant whom you desire. Yes, he is coming, says the Lord of hosts. But who will endure the day of his coming? And who can stand when he appears? For he is like the refiner's fire, or like the fuller's lye. He will sit refining and purifying silver, and he will purify the sons of Levi, refining them like gold or like silver, and they may offer due sacrifice to the Lord. Then the sacrifice of Judah and Jerusalem will please the Lord, as in the days of old, as in years gone by. This is the word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye. God bless.